As far we have seen HTML tags and attributes of HTML, now we'll see the HTML formatting. We have lots of content in our web pages. To differentiate on that particular content on our web page, we require a special formatting, which gives a special meaning to our text or sentences. We have different kinds of HTML tags available for formatting. Like if we want to bold a text or to make a text italic, to underline a sentence, there are lots of several tags available in HTML. As we are seeing here, this is a bold text. To make a text bold, we have a bold tag. We putting our text inside paragraph, and to making out it bold, we put inside bold tag. We can see here this text appears bold. We have a strong as well, strong tag, which is used to bold the text, but it add a semantic importance. So what does it mean? Visually, it is same as a bold text, but a person who is visually impaired, which cannot read it, with the help of screen reader, these tags will help out to understand. So we require a strong tag to make our bold text. So it will read out if something is made in bold with the help of screen readers. So the next HTML tag which is used to format is italic text. To make our text italic, I tag is used. We can see here this is an italic text which is in between an italic tag. We have emphasized for the italic text which is EM tag. So here is also the same thing for the visually impaired person. It will give add a semantic. With the help of screen readers, they can come to know that this particular text or word is italic. If we want to highlight a text or mark a text, we have a mark tag. We can see here this heading will mark to highlight. See, we placed inside mark tags and it appears on our web browsers as highlighted the yellow color here. For underline, we have U tag to underline a text. Whatever text we want to underline, just put the particular text inside our underline tag, then it will appear on our browser as an underlined. For striking the text, we have a strike tag. We can place our content in a strike under the strike tag. So we can see here displaying strike element. This text has been striked. We have a line in between the text. For superscript text, for displaying it, we have a sup tag. We can write soup inside the text and the text will appear as a superscript formatting. As we can see here in our example, this appears as a superscript formatting. We can see here. And the same subscript, we have a sub tag. Just write the text inside the sub tag. It will appear as a subscript in the browser. If we want to represent a text that should be deleted, we use a delete. For this delete tag, we have del tag. Inside that, we'll put our word, and this will appear like a strike here as a deleted. The person who is browsing the web page will understand that the particular text is deleted. For inserted, we have ins tag. To insert, it will appear here and underline will be there. Okay. For the larger text, we have a big tag. We write a big. Inside that, the text which has to be larger will be placed inside it and will get a larger size the rest of the text. We can see that what this particular text, if we want to be larger from the rest of the text, we'll use this big. Same as a big, we have a smaller. If we want to make our a particular text smaller, we can use this small tag, and you can see here the text is smaller than size. It appears smaller than other text in the sentence. We'll see all these examples while coding it. Now we will see some practicals what we have seen for HTML formatting. First, save this file. We'll put a name formatting.html. First, we'll see that the text should be bold. We'll write this is a bold text. Control S, save it. See the formatting is appeared. Open with. See, we can see here this text appears as a bold. Now we'll see, and the strong will have a same, but it has a different semantic meaning, and it can be used for visually impaired persons with the help of screen readers. So we can use a strong tag for this. Now we'll see the italic. You want to make something italic, press I. This is an italic text. Save it, refresh it. We'll see here. Okay. If you want to mark something, we have a mark tag. Take a paragraph. This is a mark. We can see it appears as a highlighted text here, marked in yellow color. Okay. To underline a particular text, we have U tag. See, this is a underline text. We have an underline here. You can see here, underline. Okay. For striking, you can see here, this is a strike text. Sorry, you can see this is a strike text. Appear here. The same way, we have superscript. See, this is a superscript. For subscript, we have sub. You can see here. Now we'll see the big and the small. See the particular. This is big, okay, larger than other. You can see here this text is larger than other text. See, okay. Same we have smaller. We write small. It is smaller than other. You can see here. Okay. I hope you have understand this. So let's try your own to understand it better.